Oh yes, folks. Ingestion engine straight out the dumpster. Back with another food challenge. Let's get into this.
Yo, I'm back in the flesh of my 6X. White tee, button up, sleeves rolled up, fitting me nicely.
I'm ready to go. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, it's me, man. Ingestion engine back with another super official chugging deep. I know you can't listen, man. Alright, yo. You already see what's next to me. You know what time it is. Das Boot. It's been a while since we've done a Das Boot chug. So, yo, we're not messing around with the drinks today. They're still in the fridge. As soon as we take it out, we're gonna crack them. We're gonna put them in the Das Boot. And we're gonna do this whole thing, you know what I mean? So give me 2 seconds, yo. And y'all know the engine only does his drinks fridge, cold, and above. So that's what we got today. We got a little unsweetened, pure leaf, double bottle Das Boot chug. I've done one of these before. Why are these? No, there we go. But I've never done two. And I got new drinks to come on the way. But for now, we're just going through the stuff that I have. You know what I mean? Keeping it simple. But we're gonna keep it funky and fresh in the future, as most of you know from the Ingestion Engine fam. So let's look at the clash. Oh, this is gonna be filled to the top. Oh, hold on. We might have to do some extra chuggage here, as y'all can see. The boot. Well, okay, I got that one down. To the tippy top. Gotta leave an extra room in case I don't spill it. But yeah, we got a little left over here. That'll be for the end of the chug. But Heat Wave, St. Louis continues. Ingestion Engine continues to chug. It's all the same thing. So yo, let's leave the cap open on this one. You get the cap again. And oh my goodness, this looks delicious. I can't even pick it up. In 3, 2, 1. Fridge cold. Deeds, not words. Chug boys are filling up. Oh my goodness. Oh, this glass is fridge cold. I am fridge cold. Oh man. Ran out of storage there for a second, but we're back. But oh my goodness. That was a tough one. Haven't done a hard chug like that in a while. We just did an Aquafina chug. But yo, the tea chug really tested my limits there. But the Ingestion Engine has no limits, as y'all should know by now. We chug everything, consume everything. That's why I'm the engine of ingestion. But yo, sounds like we've rescheduled the bean chug. We're gonna have a huge crowd July 4th. As you know, the Super Bowl competitive eating. That's when the Ingestion Engine pops out to play. So 4th of July, we got big things coming on the channel. I can't wait. I am so excited. And yo, thanks for watching Ingestion Engine, and peace.